We're just riding through some of the countryside, just checking out all these single level houses here. Usually in Vietnam they like building up, like this one, like 2-story. You'll notice that anywhere you go in Vietnam they build up, so it's either 2, 3, 4, even 5-story buildings. This is kind of like off the beaten track, this road. It's heading back to the main town, Dung town. So we're gonna see what's this girl cooking? She's got like cakes, looks like banana. Hello, banana. Bao nhiêu tiền? Okay, one. I think it's banana. We're gonna try one. Looks like these guys need customers. Hi. Must be their pocket money, just little kids. You know what I mean? Got like little cakes and stuff over here as well. Bao nhiêu tiền? Okay. Sesame, one. Buy some snacks on the road from the locals. Okay. Yeah. You keep, okay? Yes, I will have. No. You keep. Okay. Bye. Give her some little pocket money. Feel sorry for that little kid. She should be at school actually. Anyway, we got some banana fritters. I call them banana fritters. They're like fried banana. And then they've got like the sesame buns that they fry up, which are quite nice. Anyway, we're gonna head back onto the main road. Just gotta navigate this, look at this road here, man. Look how bumpy it is. Alright, nearly to the main road. Let's head back to the main town now. So I managed to pull over the side of the road and eat some of this banana fritter. Man, there's a lot of banana in it. These are like 5,000 dong, which is something like 30 cents. But I gave that girl like, I think 30,000 dong, which was like a couple of bucks for this stuff. So, pretty tasty. You gotta taste this banana fritter when you come here to Vietnam, man. They cook it really good. If I had like a food cart business back in New Zealand, I'll make a Vietnamese food cart business. I know I do well too, because I know all the food. Definitely have these, have banh mi, have some of the noodle soups. Man, I could even franchise it. Now that's a good idea. The outside's very crunchy. It's like having fried fish when you eat fish and chips, but instead of the inside being fish, the inside is like fried banana, which is really sweet. I think I've added in here a bit of jackfruit. You can taste a bit of jackfruit in there as well. Yum. It's a really good deal, man. 30 cents for one of these. In Hanoi, these are about 70 or 80 cents. Out here in the countryside, they're way cheaper. That's why I had to give the girl a little bit more than what she was asking for. Alright guys, so we are taking the motorbike back. Got to remember where I got it from actually. One of these shops down here. Alright, let's cross the road like this and try and find the shop. Somewhere down here. Vietnam styles, just drive on the other side like this. It's all good. I think it's a bit further. I'm sure it's here somewhere. Alright guys, so we are bringing back the motorbike. I remember the place, Anh Phat. They got a whole bunch of motorbikes here that you can hire. And this one done the job. It was like 100k for 1 day hire. So I got it out for 3 days, so it's just 300k, which is pretty cheap. So it's here on 92 Tran Hung Dao Road, Anh Phat. If you ever want to hire a bike, come and check out these guys. They're really good. And yeah, motorbike done the job. I just got to make sure that I have got everything. Don't want to leave behind any goodies for them.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, see you next
Bye.
Yes, bye-bye.
All right, so I got to walk back to the hotel now. Anyway, I'm going to head now to the airport and then back to Hanoi, to the cold, chilly, polluted Hanoi. I'm gonna miss this place. This place is pretty good, man. Not bad. People selling fruit along this sidewalk. I'm heading back to the ACOM now. It's nearly lunchtime. So people are indulging lunch and then it's nap time for them. Look, the mini mart's closed. It's a thing here in Vietnam is that when it comes to about midday, shops close for like an hour or so. They have a bit of a siesta, time for a nap. Those are the styles, man. Good to actually be vlogging and not driving at the same time. Anyway, we're heading to the airport. That's us, man. That's a wrap on Phu Quoc Island. So hopefully the next few months I can make some more videos. I definitely want to head up to Phan Xipang, which is tallest mountain here in Vietnam. In Sapa actually, and then I want to check out Bangkok waterfall, which is the largest waterfall in Southeast Asia. So those are two most definites I want to do in 2021, as well as do the Ha Giang Loop, but I think I'll save the Ha Giang Loop for maybe around July, dry, just before the wet season. So it'll be a bit more drier around July. Is that place that they're going to develop? Hopefully next time I'm back we'll be able to see it in all its glory. Maybe even stay there. It's right next to the beach, which is pretty cool. So the airport itself is about 12 to 15 minutes drive south of the main town. The only way to get there really is by taxi or motorbike taxi. or walk. They don't run any buses. I guess if they did run buses, there'll be like good business for people, even tuk-tuks. Bye-bye. Oh, can't forget the helmet.
Yeah.
I can take it as a souvenir.
Thank you.
See you later. Bye. Funny guy. Anyway, guys, time to head onto the plane. Head back to Hanoi. Head back to the haze, man. The haze. The craze haze. All right, guys, we are here just waiting for the plane. It's about another half an hour away, but really enjoyed my time here on Phu Quoc Island, especially doing the bike ride around the island and checking out the nature vibes and the beaches. Really awesome drive. I recommend to hire a motorbike and do that drive yourself and check out all the local beaches. And I think the other highlight also was heading to Hon Tum Island, Pineapple Island. And if you have kids, man, your kids are gonna love it there. Even your grandparents, take all your family along and check out Pineapple Island, especially the cable car ride, 8K cable car ride over the islands, and also the water park. You can swim all day, and the beach, fabulous beach, nice and clean. So highly recommend one of those attractions to go and do. Anyway, guys, that's about it. That's a wrap up in this Phu Quoc series. Hope you guys have enjoyed this series. I'm going to be doing some more upcoming vlogs and travel vibes from around Vietnam. So give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video and the series. Subscribe to this YouTube channel. See you guys on the next one. Experience the journey, inspire others, live life, guys. Peace.